Alright, just give you a quick video. We've got a stain on the roof here, so we've obviously got a leak. I'm just going to show you the easiest way to find a leak from inside a roof as to where it is on the tiled roof. Well, so here we go. What we're going to do, measure the size of your eaves, which is 740. We're going to measure from the back door to the stain, which is 1500. Add the two together, 2240. Grab my thing. Write that on my hand. 40. Then, from the sidewall, the exact same, because there's a patio out the back, sometimes you don't need to do it. So, that is 4.5 plus the 740, which will make it 5240. And that'll let us find it on the roof. Okay, now we're up here. We've got our two measurements, highly technical. I'll put them on my hand. We're just going to use those two measurements to move it across and find out where on the roof we're looking for this repair. Right, so we have a 5.2 off there. Puts me right here. See where my foot is. And we need a bit of a gutter clean. By the look of it. And now 2240 up. So 2240, which is right there. I'm going to go up. There you go. That's where we're getting the leak, which is, I would say, right here. Alright, so I will check this out. It's obviously coming from the skylight somewhere. So there's the culprit. I just moved the tile and it's all blocked up with gunk. So that's what caused it. And I'll just take that away now and that should run fine. Alright, so that's all cleaned. So the reason I just showed you that is that's the way I find leaks on tiled houses, because you end up with that stain on your roof. So once you get that stain, measure off your sidewalls, and look, it can be a feature, it might be a window or something like that. And when you transfer to a roof, it's very hard to find it on the roof if you don't have measurements, because you get disorientated. So by doing that, you know exactly where it is, or the patch, you know within like about a metre squared where you should be looking. And it'll be either in that patch or up from it. The leak will never be down. So that's how you find your leak. Quick fix, save you, look, if I came out to do it, it'd be at least 140, so up to 220 depending on what kind of roof you've got. So it'll save you money, that little trick. Put it into practice. If you get a little stain on the ceiling, save yourself some money. Right, if you like this, please subscribe and I will see you on the next video. Bye.